What's going on YouTube? It's me, Stock Market Moves here, back with another little short video for you guys, and I just want to give you a quick update. I want to start off with number one, pay. And pay is not bad. I mean, 15 bucks is starting, which is better than most places. I mean, keep in mind, minimum wage is close to about $7 or $8, depending on the state you are in, I believe. I'm not really too sure, but I know for me, which I live in Texas, it's $7.25 minimum wage, which is honestly not a lot. Let's be real here. And so, I mean, $15 is double the minimum wage. Is honestly pretty great. At least better than most places, like I said. No degree required. I mean, all you have to do is just be 18 and up and have your diploma, which is pretty much what everybody should have. Where number two, it would be Amazon healthcare benefits. Being an associate for Amazon, what's it called, or should I say an employee for Amazon, it will come with its benefits. Benefits being healthcare, whether that be daycare, dental, life insurance, etc. Sometimes you'll be able to get your medicine with the insurance. Just overall save money. I mean, we all know that in anything that deals with doctors or medicine, etc., in the health industry without insurance, it's very, 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 very expensive. On the other hand, we would rather not waste money on that when we could waste money on something else, you know. So, I mean, just overall, the health insurance is definitely a plus. It's a big factor. Most jobs don't even offer this. My third tip, or third reason why you should work for Amazon, would be that you would be getting a 401k, which is basically like another bank, or essentially you could say. And what this is basically is Amazon, what they do is they'll match you. So let's say you put in $300 off your check, for example, into your 301k. Well, Amazon matches you, so those $300 have now become $600. Fourth of all, my fourth tip would be why you should be working for Amazon is just due to the fact that, I mean, it's pretty simple working your way up. It's not that very difficult. It's pretty straightforward, really. Just kind of be there for a while, try to work your way up, really. Number four, for college students, my advice would be to you is that if you're interested in going to school, or maybe you want to go through school through Amazon, you're able to, and I believe you can get like a certification through them, or like possibly in robotics or something like that. They pay for your schooling, and as well. That goes back to me saying, after 1 year for working for Amazon will give you about $12,000 in as a free loan, I believe, or something like that, for specifically schooling. I'm not really too sure whether that had to be for something that in their field, or that could be anything that you are interested in. Whoops, sorry about that. So definitely something worth looking into. Tip number five would be, same goes back to being a college student. I mean, if you're a college student, I believe that if you show them, prove that you are a college student, you can switch from working 40 hours full time and switch it to over to 30 hours full time. So basically what that means, wait, let me repeat again. If you are working 40 hours as a college student, I repeat, you can switch over to full-time 30 hours. So basically, I'm assuming that if you were to pick up an extra shift after 30 hours, I'm not really too sure if 31, 32, 33 would be overtime, but that's definitely worth something to know or look into if you're a college student, just because, like I said, you'll still be a full-time instead of being a part-time student. And on top of that, there could be a great chance that you'll still be making overtime hours after just working 31 hours. Those 10 hours make a whole difference. Definitely worth something to look into for you college students. And let me know what y'all guys think. Make sure to drop a like, comment down, subscribe, and enjoy.